Curious what a company that buys houses actually does? Let's break it down. When homeowners in Sacramento and surrounding areas hear about companies that buy homes for cash, a lot of questions come up, like how it works, what's involved, and whether it's the right fit for them. Here's the simple truth. A company that buys houses for cash makes selling your home faster, easier, and less stressful, especially when you want to skip repairs, showings, and the traditional real estate process. At Bridgehaven Homes, here's what we actually do. You reach out to us with basic information about your property like address, condition, and timeline. We review the information and present you with a fair all-cash offer. There's no obligation, no appraisal, and waiting on buyer financing. If you accept, you choose the closing date that works for you. We handle paperwork and cover closing costs. That's it. No repairs, no staging, no waiting on the market. We buy houses as is so that you can sell on your terms. Bridgehaven Homes makes the selling process simple and straightforward. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.